Food steamers are an excellent kitchen appliance that allows for healthy cooking with minimal effort. There are many products available to choose food steamers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best food steamers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer. The Bella 7.4 Food Steamer with 2-tier design is a healthy and fast way to cook your favorite foods. With 2 separate steaming containers, you can cook a full meal with sides with one simple turn of a switch. The water reservoir view window ensures you'll always know whether you have enough water to finish the job at hand. The gas-free steaming guide chart is embedded on the unit, so you can guarantee perfect steaming results every time. It features auto shut-off and boil-dry protection for simple and safe cooking. The dishwasher-safe steaming containers, grain tray, and lid make cleaning up easy. Number 2. Avent 2-Tier Electric Food Steamer. The Avent Electric Food Steamer is a perfect kitchen tool that helps you prepare healthy meals in a convenient way. It is designed with a 60-minute timer, auto shut-off feature, and power indicator light that ensures your safety while using it. This food steamer is easy to clean as it only requires water to cook your food, making it a healthy and affordable way to enjoy your favorite dishes. With its 5-quart capacity, you can cook different types of food simultaneously, saving you time and energy. Number 3. Cuisinart STM1000 Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer. The Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer is perfect for those who want to cook healthy meals easily. Its powerful steam system delivers steam from the top down, surrounding food for quick and even cooking. With a 5-liter dishwasher-safe glass pot, 5 pre-programmed food settings, and a 60-minute countdown timer, you can cook vegetables, fish, chicken, rice, and more for the whole family. The LCD control panel with start-stop, pause and reheat buttons, and an audible alert make it easy to use. The steaming tray also flips to hold different types of food. This product comes with a limited 3-year warranty and is BPA-free. Number 4. NutriBullet Baby BSR's N801N Turbo Food Steamer. The Baby Bullet BSR's N801N Turbo Food Steamer is a must-have for parents who want to make and serve all-natural baby food quickly and easily. The large capacity lid allows for a variety of uses, and the base has 5 easy settings and a built-in indicator that lets you know when food is done. This food steamer is also versatile, including a cooking tray, defrosting trays, egg cooking tray, and sterilizing tray. The included measuring cup helps you measure the perfect amount of fresh ingredients for your baby food, and cleanup is a breeze. The Baby Bullet Turbo Steamer is made of durable polycarbonate material and is compact, making it easy to store when not in use. Number 5. Elite Gourmet EST 252.5 Quart. The Elite Gourmet Mini Food Steamer is a compact and efficient steamer that allows you to easily customize your cooking. With a 2.5-quart BPA-free steamer tray, you can steam vegetables, baby food, seafood, and even cook up to 6 eggs. The 400 watts of heating power ensures fast and efficient steaming, reducing cooking time and retaining the nutrients in your food for healthier meals. The built-in auto shut-off timer can be set for up to 60 minutes, providing convenience and peace of mind. Plus, the BPA-free steaming tray is stain-resistant and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The Elite Gourmet Mini Food Steamer is the perfect addition to any kitchen for quick and healthy meals. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.